YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. If you're brand new to my channel, hit the subscribe button as well as bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the top picks in cryptocurrency. And guys, I am on a mission to hit 100,000 subscribers. Can't do it without you, so make sure you're tapped in. But let's talk about some Toshi Coin today, guys. We're going to talk about some Bitcoin also. But before we get into that, guys, just gotta let you know too, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Just a homie Crypto J, just talking about some crypto today. As you guys can see, Bitcoin coming in at 86, right? Starting to break down off that 88. And we're gonna probably start seeing some more sell-off more than likely in the market. But let's talk about it. So you guys can see the total market cap right now is down 2%, coming in at a 2.92. And the fear greed index again coming in down at a 26, guys. We were just at a 40 the other day, and now we're coming in at a 26. So absolute extreme fear. There's so much fear down here right now, guys. It's actually kind of insane, like how low we are in this fear greed index, but it's pretty interesting to see, and I'm kind of curious to know what you guys think the bottom of Bitcoin is going to be. I feel like we got to be close, guys. I feel like we've got to be somewhat close because again, like how far can we go, right? I'm thinking like maybe 85, maybe lowest 75, 70, right? Like down in this range, maybe lowest, but we gotta be, I mean, shoot, this thing does not look like we have very much support at all in the 1 year, but CZ said, don't be surprised if you see, Bitcoin dropped down to 85. That's pretty much where we're at. I mean, we touched 85. Are we going to create some kind of support here in this 86 range? Some kind of double bottom action happen, maybe, possibly. Or do we need to, again, drop down lower? Look at this thing. It's starting to already break some key resistance on the 1 day, right? Let's look at this, it's freezing in my house today. Oh man, yikes. Sheesh, right? Look at that. Not good. Trading below that bottom Kellner channel. We talk about that. That's not a good thing that you want to see happening on Bitcoin. And I talk about why. Look, because when we start going below that, look, we rejected here. We rejected here. Yikes. Bitcoin is looking like it's going to see some spill off. You see, we reject off of this right here on the 1 hour also. This price is not looking good. This is looking like a short. This is looking like a short, to be honest with you, based off of this right here. Looks like it's going to rip down to a new level of support below 85, like 84 range. Maybe this thing capitulates. I don't know. Maybe it really drops because we don't have very much support, right? Like, look how much support that we have on this 1 year. Like, where is it at? Like down here? Like this 80 range, I guess. Maybe we can get lucky. Psychological barriers, some kind of thing, but ain't much down here. Maybe 85. We can create some kind of psychological support around there. You guys could see we did touch around 85 before, but are we going to see a retest down here, or is it maybe going to even go possibly lower? I definitely want to know what you guys think. We did talk about kind of where we're at in the cycle, or where I think we could possibly be at in the cycle. Again, if this is if this is our top and this is like our blow off top, this is the weakest cycle ever, dude. Like, even though we've seen a lot of growth and even though there was a lot of, when it comes into Bitcoin, it just in terms of like a top, this wouldn't make very much sense because again, every time we've gotten into this zone, it wasn't necessarily a top. I mean, right here it was, but it was like a clean blow off top. Like we had some good positive price action. This right here just seems a little more like this that happened over here back in 2016, 2017, which is what I've been saying. Like we're just kind of consolidating right here, it seems like, and then maybe we go up and see some more consolidation and like continue on kind of thing, possibly. Or maybe also we do something kind of like here too, right? We went blue to red, same thing, blue to red, and then we go choppy and orange, and then, you know, Same thing, choppy and orange. I don't know. I don't know how this is going to play out. I'm just kind of going off of prior things. Let's look at some Toshi. Let's look at some Toshi, right? Toshi coming in at 225 million right now with 544,000 holders. Coming in strong, holding some support right now on this 30-minute, holding with Bitcoin. But again, if Bitcoin looking like it wants to break down, then we have to definitely be paying attention to what's going on this Toshi chart. Right now, Toshi chart, holding, right? Down the past 7 days, about 20%. But at the same time, Toshi Coin, in my opinion, is performing pretty nicely compared to a lot of the rest of the market. Definitely not looking too hot on the 2 hour again with Bitcoin looking so funky. Definitely, again, something that we should pay attention to. But again, I'm looking for good positions on this, so it's really not too much of a problem for me. Do have to pay attention to the fact that we're trading also below this Kellner channel on the 12 hour too now. Also something you got to pay attention to, but 4 hour also, we're starting to break below this. We just started breaking below this bottom level right here on the 4 hour. We got to start picking up some price. Bitcoin, come on, Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin got to pick up, man. What do you guys think? When do you guys think Bitcoin's going to pick up in some steam? How far down does Bitcoin need to correct? You guys could see the market sentiment slowly changing, right? These guys switching up on us. It was 80-20 for the longest. Now these guys are starting to feel a little more bearish. Interesting. BTC last fourth wave complete. Bloodbath. BTC, no lie to yourself. Believe it's going to 80K. Don't lie to yourself to believe it's going to 80K. Oh, okay, so somebody said 3 minutes ago that's not going to go down to 80K. Interesting. For alts to hold, it's important for BTC dominance to break 61 to 60 support level. Yep, that's what we were talking about also. We were talking about that yesterday, actually. This sideways movement will trigger altcoin season finally. Possible. Anything is possible, right? Some people saying lows could be around 85 to 86. I'm bullish on Bitcoin. That's what CZ said in 2020, right? CZ was saying in 2020 that it would, can't wait to hear the headlines that Bitcoin shot up to 101 and dropped down to 85. And so right now we're pretty close to that 85 range. It'll be interesting to see, again, if we break down below that or what's going to happen. A lot of people giving their take. Some people saying I'm bearish on Bitcoin just 30 minutes ago. People sharing some news, people talking about unrelated things. Cryptos are us talking about it, right? Just 35 minutes ago on here. Of course, he's bullish on it. I want to know what you guys think, though. How do you feel about Bitcoin? What are your price predictions on Bitcoin? What's this going to do to the market, guys? Bitcoin is really, again, our market determiner, right? We have to pay attention to this Bitcoin dominance that it has over the market, because when Bitcoin decides it wants to go down, guys, it's going to drag the market. As you guys could see, Bitcoin dominance now coming in at a 59.89. And you can see some of these coins really starting to run right now. Pretty crazy. So I want to know what you guys think. Let me know in the comment section, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.